This video will cover the installation of Fill-Rite's DEF Series onto a 55-gallon drum. The pump will be pre-mounted to a drum mounting bracket. Adjust the pump mounting bracket by unlocking both wing nuts and sliding the bracket to fit across your drum. Place the bracket over the drum lip, then compress it to secure the bracket to the drum. Finish securing the bracket by tightening the wing nuts. Remove the port plugs from the inlet and outlet of the pump. Next, select one of the provided hose barb assemblies. You can use either the straight or 90-degree hose barb based on your application. The 90-degree hose barbs come pre-assembled, and the straight hose barb assemblies can be put together easily. They come with a hose barb, a coupling nut, and an O-ring. Install these to your desired fitting by pushing it into the inlet and then tightening down the coupling nut until hand-tight. Repeat these steps with another barb assembly and install the fittings into the outlet of the pump. Next, place a hose clamp on the end of the provided 5-foot suction hose. Slide the hose over the hose barb on the inlet of the pump. Secure it in place by tightening the hose clamp. On the opposite end of the suction hose, install an RPV or residual pressure valve, which protects against DEF contamination. Certain Fill-Rite models do include this valve. To install the Fill-Rite RPV, place a hose clamp on the other end of the suction hose and slide the hose over the barbed end of the RPV. Secure it in place by tightening the hose clamp. Then place a hose clamp on the end of the provided discharge hose. Slide the hose over the hose barb on the outlet of the pump. Secure it in place by tightening the hose clamp. On the other end of the discharge hose, slide another hose clamp on and install the barbed nozzle. Secure it in place by tightening the hose clamp. Next, insert the nozzle storage bracket into the slot on the drum mount bracket. Then, insert the nozzle reservoir into the bracket and snap it into the opening. Secure it in place with the provided tie strap. Add water to the reservoir to prevent crystallization in the nozzle. Finally, wrap the discharge hose around the pump bracket for easy hose storage. Thank you for watching this Fill-Rite installation video.